English, Grade 3, Block 1 and 2, Describing a Person. This is your teacher, Shikha. Good morning, kids. Hope you all are doing good, washing hands regularly and taking care of your near and dear ones. Children, today we are going to discuss about the English lesson Understanding Characters. We have already read the story Mala Goes to School and we know something about the main character in the story. As character's action can give clues about what the character is like Mala's character. Things that people do can be clues to who they are and what they are like by making a character web. This is Mala's character web. Mala is kind. Mala loves to study. Mala is hardworking. Mala is brave. Mala helps her parents. This is a character web. Example of character web. We will also enhance our grammar skills by using verbs is, am, are. We can use am, is, are to describe a person. We can describe ourselves with am. We can describe another person with is. We can describe many people with are. For example, I am a student. She is a girl. They are children. These words also helps in showing an activity. I am watching. The kids are playing. Dear children, let's imagine one situation and practice few sentences. First situation. You are talking to new friend. How it goes? How are you? I am 10 years old. What is your name? My name is Amit. Where are your pencils? My pencils are kept on the table. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. So children, just think, why did we ask these questions? Did you learn more about your classmate after asking questions? When you ask few questions to your friend, do you came to know more about it? For example, you have asked about your friend's favorite color. Which word do we see in all these questions and answers? Children, these questions helped us to know more about the person. The person's character. All of the questions and answers use the word am, is and are. Okay, let's discuss little more about it. Where else do we see these words? What do they mean? We can use the words am, is and are to describe a person. We can describe ourselves with am, another person with is and many people with are. For example, I am a student, she is a girl, they are children. These words is, am, are also help in showing an activity. For example, I am watching TV. I am reading. I am playing. I am eating, I am walking, I am dancing, etc. The kids are playing, guests are coming, teachers are teaching, students are learning, etc. He is reading, she is cooking, Juhi is studying, Ruhi is singing, etc. Can you see this chart? This chart can help you. He, she is a student. They, we are a student. I am a student. You are a student. It is a student. Children, now let us see the personality table. Personality table. Smart, friendly, clever, brave, polite, funny, kind, thoughtful, honest, helpful, shy, calm. Describing words. The personality table, the words which I have showed you, they are describing words. They help the readers see in their mind what the person is like. How would you describe your personality? So let us describe Mala's personality and see how we can describe personality. Mala's personality. Personality. What he, she says and does. What it shows. Mala wants to learn new things. That means she is curious. I have used curious. Mala works very hard to help her parents. She is helpful and hardworking. Mala gets all the answers correct. She is smart. I have used smart. Mala is not afraid of snake. She is brave. Like this, we can describe personality. Children, describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives can be a reader, a listener. We use adjectives to describe nouns. Nouns are people, places, animal or things. We describe person by their appearance. It can be height, face, age, hair, body, etc. For example, person can be tall or short, with oval or round face, young or middle age, long hair or short, fat or slim, etc. Like this, we can use more adjectives to describe appearance and personality. Have a great day ahead, children. Thank you.